Did you know that lenders and credit issuers have a secret set of standards you must meet to be approved for loans and credit lines? If you meet these standards, you can often get automated approvals, but if you don't, then you will get a denial. Some of the things involved with setting up your business credibly include getting a real business address or a virtual address, having a toll-free business number listed with 411, as well as having a fax number and having a professional website and email address. You will also need to have any necessary licenses and set up your business bank account. Make sure to set up your business entity with your Secretary of State and get your important numbers, including your EIN from the IRS and your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet too. Contact us today to learn more about setting up business credibility to become more lendable.